Welcome at this Exhibitor Focus. My name is Marian and I talked to Tobias Kunof from Titanium Industries about his contribution to the AAM family.
Titanium Industries is a family-owned distributor located in the US with several sites all over the globe, and we are distributing titanium and aerospace materials into critical markets.
What products do you offer for the AAM industry?
For the AM community, we have a special build plate, or base plate so-called, for the powder bed process, specialized in titanium, and we are serving this product all over Europe and in the US, especially when it comes to high volume parts in various printers.
So, tell me about the USPs of your product.
The product is available in any thickness. We have a quick turnaround. We have all the materials always on the floor, on the shelves. We produce the plate ready to build in for the customer, or the customer can decide if they want raw material blanks. Our plate is solution heat treated. And of course, we have a unique internal specification which makes our product very unique and very specialized, especially when you're printing big parts.
Sustainability is important these days. Is this a topic for you as well?
Yeah, and here as well, we have some recycling programs with customers. That means when they have used their build plates, they ship them back to us. If possible, we refurbish the surface, send them back. In other cases, we bring the material back into the cycle, that it can be remelted and used again for a new raw material that we can bring back the goods into the cycle.
In one sentence, why should customers engage in a conversation with you?
Our product has proven over the years that it's working very well under critical circumstances, especially when printing bigger and high demand, long-lasting parts. And I think our customer base can definitely prove this, and we are very proud of our product.